Hi! In front of me is TCL 40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, tap on Files section. And now select one of those sources. You can pick your files from here, click on one of those apps, or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Wherever you do, you can also tap on audio and video filters at the top. Finally, you need to hold one of your files that you wish to add. In my case, this one. Then click on Select at the top right corner and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!